Hi Swaroop, good morning. How are you doing?
Hi, this pandemic has bring everything to online. I'm missing the interaction with my teacher. How's you doing?
Oh, really? I'm doing great. I've got one of the best teacher. Let me introduce her to you. So she is an AI powered chatbot who helps me out in my studies. So let me just take to her. So here is my teacher, Geeta teacher, who is helping me out in my studies.
Wow, cool.
Yeah, and she plans out the topics I need to study next. So this is where I'm saying yes, and she gives me all the best link which I can refer to get an understanding of the topic. And
Yes,
yeah,
that's
and
amazing.
she also emails me the assignment so that I can practice before I get into the next class. Oh, okay. Looks like my linear algebra results are out. The exam which I took yesterday. So let me check with her where I can improve. Okay, so she's giving me all
Wow.
the areas where I need to improve. So, and she's also giving me an additional link so that I can practice. So she's asking me when I can have the retest. So let me say 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. And she also reminds me that there's one more topic which I need to study and I haven't touched for a week. So I'll say, okay. And she's giving me
Wow,
the link and
that's interesting.
yeah, Swaroop. So this is how she works, and she also plans out all my exams, everything. So she is reminding me of my exams. So this is what how my teacher helps me out.
How does she ensure that? How does she able to make it?
Oh, okay. Let me introduce you to a couple of her friends. So she has got web crawling friends who basically go to all the YouTube videos and also search engine results and various blogs. They collect all the links for each of the topic and they dump it into a database. And from there, her intelligent friend goes in and looks at the best content. So he is actually powered by NLP and other deep learning and other ML model, ML techniques. And from there, he picks the best link and dumps it into this database from where my teacher picks it up and gives it to me. And you know, one more cool thing, there's a librarian friend, I call him as a librarian friend who organizes all these information in form of a web page. And if you really look at it, this is how the content looks. And if you look at it, this librarian
Wow,
friend
these are all my
actually
topics.
yeah, Swaroop. So he organizes everything and also gives me the best link for each of these topics so that I can refer these online. You know, these days, sometimes we get overwhelmed with a lot of videos and all. So
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
friend helps out.
How does she ensures that this is the best link?
Oh, good question. So she has got couple of friends who are experienced teacher who keep validating the links randomly. And if any of the link is not that great, they pass on the feedback to her friend, the intelligent bot friend, who keeps on improving on that. And so this is how she works.
Wow, that's cool. Can I access her?
Oh, yeah. In fact, this is available to every student across the world free of cost. So I'll pass on her details so that you can reach out to her. And
Wow,
yeah,
I'm so excited to use.
yes. And you know, so she is also approached by various education institutes and NGOs whom she helps by giving all these services. So this is how she works, Swaroop.
Wow, it's so nice. I will use it entirely. It's just reminded me of my teacher.
Yeah, I'm sure every student feels the same. So have a
Yeah.
good time. Thanks. Bye, Sir Swaroop.